everything's in here. We'll mix it up. I go get my rolling tray and my mask. I'm gonna wax and grease remove it one more time. I'm gonna double coat it. I'm gonna babysit this thing all night with the heat on. With double coated, I'm gonna come back and double coat it. It's gonna be 4 coats and that's gonna be a wrap. I think I'll get it to lay out nice. I know I will. Okay. All right, we got 60% humidity, 81 degrees again since I shut that big door. Has it been 5 minutes? It ain't been 5 minutes since I set that there. It's been 3. Ooga, ooga. All right, panic button. Boom. I still got a hole in the door over there. I got to hit with a little dolphin glaze. It's small, but I already got the paint mixed. So, this is what we're gonna do. I mean, it's a little hole, but I'm not painting over it. It's a dent. Little bitty dent. There's no way I'm painting over it. I'd rather paint over wet putty and it'll be dry. One more drink, it'll be dry. All right, here's the razor blade for mixing. And here we go. I mean, it's not large. And it took it.